Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back. After years and years and years, I'm back. Thank you. Back by popular demand from myself. This is Cooking with Audrey. This is Cooking with Audrey. Thank you, Audrey. Now let's go to Audrey to see what's cooking.
Thank you, Audrey. Today we're going to be baking cookies. I'm very excited. Now back to Audrey.
Thank you for that, Audrey. Okay, we are gonna get started. I'm gonna be using my homemade recipe. Nestle chocolate chip. We're gonna be making chocolate chip cookies today. And I know what you're probably thinking, or not thinking. I'm thinking it about myself. Why would you make it out of a container, Audrey? Well, why not? I said, Audrey. Thank you. Okay guys, so I got my little thing. It has holes in it, but it's fine. I'm gonna empty out my stove now because that's where all my pans be. The directions on here say, I'm not wearing my glass. The barcode's an oven mitt. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. This is 2 teaspoons, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna scoop in. What? I'm gonna make like different shape cookies. This one is gonna be a star. I'm gonna try a heart now. Wider, so. This is my heart-shaped cookie. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna use it all. Okay, wait, hold on. This is fun. Who knew cooking cookies? I mean, baking cookies would be so much fun. Okay, then I'm gonna make 2 M's because my mom is Marsha and my sister is Nia. Fun. Well, I'm gonna finish making the cookie or putting the cookies on the pan, and then I'll come back when it's done. Okay. I finished putting them on the thing. Oh my god. I'm gonna put them in the oven. I don't know. Baking with Audrey. Cook my creations. Cook.
Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a list of somebody.
Let's go bug my sister.
What are you doing here?
Hit it. Now hard rock, go! We thought I burnt my cookies.
She burned the cookies.
But it's bad now. Because now you saw the cookies.
And?
They're supposed to be a surprise. Surprise! You look how pretty my mom is.
Oh my god, let me fix my hair.
She's single, by the way.
So
She's single and ready to mingle. Come on. Like. And here's Ollie.
what are you doing in there?
That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Psych! The fire alarm went off. Action.
Seriously?
You're pretty.
Who cares? Stop.
Anyone want some feet pictures? The cookies still aren't done.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna.
Oh, you didn't start.
Ow!
Oh, that was good.
I want the big fat heart. You should have spelled PHAT.
Oh, that was a joke. You can't eat it yet.
Why?
Because Mama said no. Hey guys, the cookies are done. I had a fight with my sister real quick because this is half a cookie. These are good cookies. I plated my mommy's food. Mother, I'm coming in.
Come here. Coco, it's not for you.
Anyways.
So yes, there you go, to your left a little bit.
You're so mean. Coco, it's not for you. Taste it.
Stop. Why?
Cause I put something special in it.
What?
Taste it.
Now let's get this last one. 20 seconds. Be careful with the last one.
Do you taste it? Do you taste the special ingredient?
Mmm.
Back,
Nutella.
Huh?
a little bit.
Nutella.
No, it was inside the cookie.
Let it go.
Nutella.
No, love.
Oh, yeah.
How disrespectful.
Where's my milk? Where's my leche? I did see love. I licked it.
No, it's inside the cookie. I made it with love. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Here's my final cookie. So thank you so much for watching my cooking video. If you want me to do any other videos, tell me because I don't know what to do. Like this video, please, because do it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe and get your friends to subscribe and get your family to subscribe and get your grandma to subscribe and get your grandpa and your cousins and your and okay, to subscribe. Okay, bye. Thank you. Bonus feature, you guys get to watch me dump milk down Dutch Dane.
What are you doing?
Go like this, go like no. So